Hi, yoga buddies! Today we're going to move gently and easily together. If you like doing yoga with us, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start moving our bodies nice and slow. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. From all fours, walk the hands forward and melt the chest down while keeping hips stacked over knees, forehead or chin on mat. Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Front knee bent. Front elbow resting lightly on thigh. Top arm reaching overhead. Alternate between left and right. Feet slightly wider than hips. Bend deeply into a squat. Heels on the floor if possible. Hands together at chest. Elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. Sitting with legs extended, hinge from the hips and fold forward, reaching toward feet with a long spine. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Let's stay here and breathe together. Slow breath in and slow breath out. Feel your body resting and relaxing. You did an amazing job today. Your body moved so gently and beautifully. If you enjoyed this yoga time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. See you next time, yoga buddies. Namaste.